Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you...
Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. I'm so happy you are stopping by. And if you are here for the first time, this is Coco. You see in her festive dress from my bestie Mary. How do you like it? She is ready for Christmas and I'm trying to get ready too. I bet you are thinking about it already too. And what is the key thing we always do for Christmas? We make some bows, right? Well, maybe some of you think you are bow challenge and you cannot make a bow on your own. You spend so much money for pre-made bows. Well, I'm here to help you. I have a very easy method. One of my most popular videos is the Bestie Bow. It's the easiest bow out there. And today I want to bring you some other Bestie Bow ideas, okay? I hope you're gonna like it. If you do, please make sure you give me thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to this channel because I bring many creative ideas for you on the budget, okay? Let's see what we're gonna come up with.
You don't need any special gadgets to make this bow. Only your ruler, scissors, some floral wire, and your ribbon. I got 4 spools of ribbon here, 9 feet each, total 36 feet of ribbon.
Dollar Tree is really upping their game with the ribbons. Look at all the beautiful patterns they got for this Christmas. 1.5 inch wide. This is new for Dollar Tree. I'm so excited to try these.
So I'll be using all 4 colors, but you could be using just 1, 2, or 3. It's up to you. First step is to cut your ribbon in 3 equal pieces. They should be each 36 inches long, but guess what? Dollar Tree is cheating us a little bit. Each roll is 8 inches short. Either way, you're gonna have 3 strips per roll, 4 rolls, 12 strips of ribbon, around 36 inches long. Also, cut a nice long piece of wire about 24 inches long. Next, we are going to cut the fishtail. Simply fold your ribbon in half and cut diagonally towards the wired edge, just like so. And once in a while, I would get a comment, this is not a fishtail, this is a ducktail, or this is a dovetail. And to me, it does look like a fishtail, but you can call it whatever you want, okay? Today, we're going to cut the fishtails on just one end of each strip. And let me show you why. For the topper, we are going to do one tail bestie bow, slightly different than normally. And here you notice my strips are not even. Well, the rolls are not full 9 feet, but we're still gonna make it work. Take your first strip of ribbon, fold it under, and measure. You want to have an 8-inch loop. Pinch it, and on the other end you have cut the fishtail, right? You hold it with your thumb, just like so. Then you take the next strip of ribbon, whoopsie, and you fold it under and you measure. Just want to make sure all your loops are the same size. 8 inches, pinch, and hold with your thumb. And we are going to repeat the same steps, alternating the colors. Just measure your loop, 8 inches, pinch, and hold. And go ahead, take the next color, and you guessed it, 8 inches, pinch, and hold. How easy is that, guys? Measure 8 inches, pinch, and hold, and repeat. And go through all the pieces, alternating all the colors. It's as easy as that. And wait until you see the bow. It's gonna look amazing. The last 12 piece, 8 inches, pinch and hold all together. My hand is full. We are going to grab that floral wire now, wrap it around and flip it over a few times so it's nice and tight. And then you can tie it around one more time. You're gonna put your hand through every loop and separate it, fluff it up. And then when it comes all the tails, you want to fluff them up too, separate them. You want to run your hands through every strip of ribbon, make sure the right side is up. let's see, oh, the green one. You see it flipped, so you want to make sure the design is on top. And I forgot to mention that the most important part is that your ribbon is wired, because that way you can sculpt it any way you want. And just fluff, fluff, fluff until a beautiful bestie bow appears. And take a look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you believe that this is only $4 worth of ribbon? Do you like it? Please make sure you give me thumbs up if you do. And also give me some of those ribbon emojis. We're gonna put it up on a tree, but first...
Mail time. Mail time. Mail time.
The mail's here.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail.
Thank you so much to my bestie Jen for sending me another package. That is so nice and generous of you. And oh my goodness, I read a letter from Jen and I'm so touched. Her husband got sick and she almost lost him, and then she got sick. And regardless all she went through, she still, was thinking about me to purchase something for me and send this package. This is just too much. I mean, I can't believe it. Look how gorgeous. I have no words. The towels with the Nomi and the gray plaid, I love that. Matches my kitchen perfectly. And then this is so cute. Look at that adorable pillow and the buffalo check in the back. Oh my gosh. Jen, you know me so well. And what is this? One more thing?
Oh my gosh. Look, he's matching me. Jen, he's matching me. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Thank you. That is too kind.
All right, do you want to see how our bow topper looks on the tree? And we're going to pull out that wire that's right there behind the bow. Remember when we tied it, we have all this leftover wire. That's why I ask you to cut a long piece. And we're going to use that to attach our bow to the top of the tree. Just wrap it around there a few times so it stays in place. And you can use even the small supporting branches. You can lift them up or wrap around there and make sure it's nice and stable, okay? And if you have even a bigger tree, you might want to consider doing two bows, one for the front, one for the back. And this is perfect for this size of tree. My tree is about 3.5 feet, I think. And all I'm doing now is just spreading those tails, fluffing the loops. And as you see, you don't have to do much more. It looks great, right? I just got some more ribbon at a Dollar Tree. They even had a red one. Look how beautifully that would coordinate. I think I'm going to add some more to my tree. You want to see it? But first, look what I got for Coco. They have Christmas trees for the dogs in red, white, and green. Look at that. And Coco is so excited. She always checks out my bags when I get home from the Dollar Tree. So the easiest way to put your ribbon on a tree is cut it in manageable pieces. I cut mine for this tree in 24 inches long pieces. Put the ends together, fold in half, cut diagonally, and you're gonna have two fishtails. We are ready to add it on. Very easy method. You leave off about 6 inches at the top, pinch, and then you tie it down to your tree by twist tying two branches together, just like so. Then you're gonna leave the loose piece and tie it down with another two branches, just like so. And leave off a 6-inch at the bottom as well. Take another piece and do exact same thing. 6-inch tail, pinch, tie it down, run it down, loose loop, and tie it down there. You are going to repeat the same pattern all around the tree. Very easy, right? I wonder how many of you decorate a small tree. It's very easy to manage the ribbon on a small tree, especially if you've never done it before. But normally I put up a tree that's 7.5 feet tall. Please type below and let me know what size of tree you have. If you like to see how I added a ribbon on a big tree, you might want to check out this video. I'll place the link for you in the description box below. Pay attention to the pattern on your ribbon, like when it says Merry Christmas, you want to make sure it's the right side up, right? And again, you know, the same method, just twist tie 2 branches, attach it, run it down, and twist tie at the bottom. There's no easier way, really. I love doing that. And some people are scared to cut the ribbon. Please comment if you're scared to cut the ribbon, especially when it's nice, expensive ribbon. That's why you start with a Dollar Tree ribbon. You get in the habit of cutting, okay? All right, so I got 1 strip of each ribbon. I'm gonna cut a couple more and just add them in on the sides here and there. Okay, looks like I have a bare spot over here on the front, so I'm gonna cut 1 more piece and just attach it there. And the piece is just a bit too long, so I'm just gonna trim it right here. If you want, you can also bend and tack in the ends of your topper, just like so.
Alright, my besties, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the thumbs up button. It really helps me out. And see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Sit, Coco. Sit, Coco. Sit. Sit, Coco. Knuckles. Coco. Knuckles. Knuckles, Coco. Knuckles. Knuckles. Give me Knuckles.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.